Our main take is that the international law is very clear when it comes to the illegalities and what Israel is doing is illegal in the occupied Palestinian territory. As such, it is now upon the whole international community to ensure Israel's compliance with international law and not to allow it to continue on with its genocidal tendencies, with its committing the crime of genocide, and with colonization of the occupied Palestinian territory. One element that is very important and the court captured very well is that the denial of aid and the denial of substance necessary for the survival of the civilian population is part of the denial of the Palestinian people to their right to self-determination. We hope that the world have taken note, and we hope that they will act accordingly. And this is additional proof that whatever Israel is doing and all the excuses that it peddles are not acceptable under international law, and as such, there is one path only, and the only path is either you are aligned with international law or you are aligned with colonialism and with genocide and with war crimes and crimes against humanity. Those are the two choices today before us, and this is our take basically from what was said today.
After the ceasefire, or if we, let's say there's a ceasefire in place and the war or genocide has ended, will the genocide case at the ICJ be stopped, and will Palestine stop its case at the ICC, or in general will Palestine stop calling for accountability or trying to get accountability for alleged international crimes by Israel?
So long that this occupation exists on our land, so long that this occupation violates our rights, so long that this occupation continue to kill and massacre our children and detain us in the hundreds and the thousands and the millions, so long that it continues to destroy our life and colonize our land, so long that the international community refuses to uphold its legal responsibilities, the Palestinian leadership and the Palestinian government will not take one step back towards fighting for Palestinian rights at international courts, at the international level, whether it is with states, with international organizations, and at all levels. This is a rightful and peaceful and legal and in fact moral path that we have to take, and we will continue to take until our people are free and until our independence is granted, and under this regime of occupation, colonial regime of occupation, is out of our land.
Will Palestine continue its cooperation with the International Criminal Court despite the sanctions or threat of sanctions, or any sort of pressure?
We have been, and we will continue to do that. So that's the case.
Not withdrawing its
not
case
at all.
at the ICC.
There is no such thing as withdrawing the case in the ICC. The case is already now in the hands of the prosecutor, and it's fully in the hands of the prosecutor. It's not in the hands of anyone. It's in the hands of the court as the ICC, and therefore now we follow the legal process, and we hope more war criminals and those who are committing crimes against humanity will be also listed and stopped.